the automatic message sending software on TikTok.
Hi everyone, today I'll introduce a software that helps you automatically find customers and send them messages. For example, if we have a competitor's video with lots of comments, the software will automatically scan all users who commented on that video and send them a message.
First, copy the video's link and paste it into the software so it can scan the users who commented on that video.
Then click Start. The software will automatically scan everyone who has commented on that video.
It can provide information such as the commenter's name, user ID, and the comment text.
After that, we can download the list of commenters to our computer. Next, go back to the software and select the message sending function.
Here, you can set up the message content that you want to send to your customers. Select Import IDs and paste all the user IDs you just scraped into the software.
Then choose your TikTok accounts inside the software and click Start. The software will automatically operate multiple TikTok accounts of yours to send messages to the users you specified by their user IDs. You can see that it opens multiple TikTok accounts at the same time to send messages to many of your customers. You don't need to run ads, you can get all your potential customers directly from your competitors' videos and then automatically send them messages to promote and sell your products. That way, you can send messages to 10,000 people per day without violating TikTok's policies. The software also has many other features, such as automatically commenting on videos, automatically finding videos by keywords and spreading comments, and automatically replying to comments.
If you're interested, you can message me to register for the software.